Hello everyone, I am Tanisha. I hope everyone is doing well. I have just completed my diploma in aviation from Air Grace Aviation Academy. मुझे यहाँ पे आए हुए 1 साल हो चुका है and now I am leaving with a job. I am incredibly happy and grateful for Air Grace Aviation Academy. They have given me a lot of chance. So when I started this course, Richa ma'am was the one who helped me a lot with my confidence and with my grooming skills. मुझे सर ने बहुत हेल्प करी थी मेरी and उन्होंने कस्टमर सर्विस के बारे में बताया. The reason why I got selected in my interview. अनिल सर ने ट्रैवल एंड टूरिज्म में बहुत अच्छे से जानकारी दी. इसी जानकारी की वजह से मेरा अब सिलेक्शन हो गया है Unibis Tech Solution with a very good salary package and I am incredibly happy. My family is also very happy with this. I also recommend everyone to come here and join and be a part of this beautiful family.
Mənə yenə tənha gecələr